Want to learn how to create email campaigns for different audiences in Mailchimp? Whether you're looking to reach specific customer groups or personalize your marketing efforts, Mailchimp makes it easy to target the right people at the right time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your campaigns for different audiences, boost engagement, and get better results from your emails. But first, if you're new to Mailchimp, I've got great news. You can try it for free with an exclusive bonus if you click the first link below. Don't miss out. Let's jump right in. The first thing to keep in mind when creating email campaigns for different audiences in Mailchimp is segmentation. This is key to sending the right message to the right people. Segmentation lets you group your audience based on various criteria, such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement with previous emails. You can create segments based on a number of factors like location, age, or interests. This will help you craft emails that resonate with each group specifically. Next thing, let's talk about building and using your audience lists. Your audience list is where all your contacts live, and you can upload and manage them in Mailchimp. Once your list is set up, you can tag your audience to keep track of specific groups. Tags allow you to mark contacts with labels like interested in product X or frequent buyer, so you can easily target them when creating campaigns. Now that you've segmented your audience and tagged your contacts, the next step is creating targeted email content. Mailchimp's email builder allows you to personalize the content based on the segment you're targeting. For example, if you're sending an email to a group of customers who've purchased a specific product, you can offer them a special discount or provide complimentary product recommendations. Using personalization like their first name or referring to their past purchases is a great way to make your emails stand out. The fourth thing you should focus on is automation. One of the best features of Mailchimp is its ability to automate email campaigns. You can set up automated emails that are triggered based on specific actions, like someone subscribing to your list, making a purchase, or abandoning their cart. This helps you stay top of mind with your audience and deliver timely, relevant content without needing to manually send every email. Next, let's cover A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful tool in Mailchimp that lets you compare different versions of an email to see which one performs better. You can test things like subject lines, call to action buttons, and even the time of day your emails are sent. By doing this, you can continually improve your email campaigns to drive more opens, clicks, and conversions. Lastly, after your campaign is sent, it's important to track and analyze the performance. Mailchimp provides detailed analytics so you can see how your emails are performing with different audience segments. Pay attention to metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to understand what works best. This data will help you fine-tune future campaigns and get better results. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can try Mailchimp for free right now by clicking the link below and get access to exclusive bonuses. And remember, this software is one of the most powerful tools for creating highly targeted email campaigns that can boost your business. So, that's how you create email campaigns for different audiences in Mailchimp. Segment your audience, tag your contacts, personalize your content, automate your emails, A/B test, and analyze your results. If you want to take your email marketing to the next level, Mailchimp has all the tools you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the link for your extended free trial.